Are you tired of manually testing your solution with each upcoming release of Dynamics 365 Business Central? Are you dreaming about automated testing but lack the time and/or competence to implement it? Companial can help you create an automated test. We don't need much to get started. Simply provide the material such as a test scenario or the user scenario documents that you use for manual testing. Or instead, feel free to provide a video recording of the testing session. In addition to this, we will also need the test database with data for the test scenario to work. Once we receive everything, we will validate the test scenario and provide you with a fixed price proposal for the automated test development. The validated test scenario will be used as the specification for the automated test development. Enjoy peace of mind with automated tests for Dynamics 365 Business Central. Any questions? Please email us at service@companial.com.